If you've ever heard people talking about sports betting and wondered how platforms like PointsBet Sportsbook actually work, this guide is going to walk you through everything in a clear, simple, and realistic way. Not from a hype angle, and not from a get-rich-quick fantasy, but from the perspective of understanding what the system is, why people use it, and what you should actually know before anything else. Because the truth is, sports betting isn't just about picking winners or losers. It's a complex system built on odds, probability, risk, and entertainment. And once you understand that, the whole thing starts to look very different. At its core, a sportsbook like PointsBet is simply a place where people can place wagers on sporting events. But instead of thinking of it like guessing games, it's more accurate to think of it as a structured prediction market. The sportsbook sets odds based on data, statistics, team performance, injuries, and public behaviour, and those odds represent the implied probability of something happening in a game. When people place bets, they are essentially agreeing with or against those probabilities. The sportsbook's job is not to help people win, but to balance both sides of the action so the system remains profitable regardless of the outcome. Now, when you hear terms like odds, spreads, or over-under, these are not random phrases. They are different ways of describing how outcomes are evaluated. Odds represent the payout structure and probability. A favourite team will usually have lower odds because they are more likely to win, while an underdog has higher odds because the outcome is less likely. The spread, on the other hand, is used to level the playing field between two uneven teams. Instead of just asking who wins, the spread asks by how much a team wins or loses. Then there is the over/under, which focuses not on who wins, but on the total combined score of the game. All of these exist to make both sides of a bet more balanced and interesting from a statistical standpoint. One important thing to understand is that sportsbooks like PointsBet are built around probability modelling. Behind the scenes, there are algorithms and analysts constantly adjusting odds based on real-time information. If a star player is injured before a match, the odds might shift. If public betting heavily favours one side, the sportsbook may adjust lines to balance risk. This is why odds can change frequently before a game starts. It's not random, it's dynamic risk management. But beyond the technical side, there's something even more important to understand, and that is the psychological side of sports betting. Many people don't realise that sportsbooks are designed to be engaging environments. They use live updates, statistics, and fast-moving markets to keep users interested. The experience is meant to feel interactive, almost like you are participating in the game itself rather than just watching it. That excitement is part of why sports betting has become so popular globally, especially with mobile platforms making everything accessible instantly. However, that same excitement is also what makes it risky for many people, because once emotion gets involved, decision-making becomes less rational. People start chasing losses, doubling down after bad outcomes, or betting based on loyalty to a team rather than logic. This is where the idea of responsible gambling becomes extremely important. Understanding that every bet carries risk and that outcomes are never guaranteed is the foundation of approaching sportsbooks in a healthy way. No system, no strategy, and no prediction method can remove uncertainty from sports. When people use platforms like PointsBet, they are often drawn in by the variety of options available. Sportsbooks don't just cover major leagues like football, basketball, or soccer. They also include smaller leagues, player performance markets, live in-game betting, and even novelty outcomes depending on the event. This wide range of options is designed to give users more ways to engage with sports, but it also increases complexity. The more options there are, the more important it becomes to understand what each market actually represents instead of just clicking randomly. Another key concept is the idea of the house edge, which is built into every sportsbook. This is how sportsbooks make money over time. Even when odds seem balanced, they are slightly adjusted so that the bookmaker maintains a long-term advantage. This doesn't mean every user loses, but it does mean the system is structured so that the platform remains profitable overall. Understanding this is crucial because it removes the illusion that betting is a level playing field. It is not. It is a structured financial system with built-in margins. One of the reasons PointsBet Sportsbook has gained attention is because of its focus on user experience and modern betting formats. It presents sports markets in a fast, streamlined way, often with live betting options that update as games unfold. Live betting in particular has changed the industry because it allows odds to shift in real time during matches. This means the situation on the field directly influences betting conditions every second. While this may sound exciting, it also makes decision-making even more unpredictable because the game is constantly changing. There is also an important distinction between understanding sports and actually predicting sports outcomes. Many people assume that being knowledgeable about a sport guarantees success in betting, but that is not how probability works. Even experts in sports analytics deal with uncertainty. Upsets happen, unexpected performances occur, and randomness plays a major role in any sporting event. This is why sportsbooks remain profitable even when many users are knowledgeable fans. Another thing worth understanding is how emotional attachment affects judgment. If someone is a fan of a team, they may overestimate that team's chances of winning. This is called bias, and sportsbooks are very aware of it. In fact, odds often reflect public perception as much as statistical reality. When large numbers of people bet on one side because of popularity rather than logic, the sportsbook adjusts accordingly. This creates a system where emotion indirectly influences the market. It's also important to talk about bankroll awareness, not in a technical, instructional way, but in terms of mindset. Any form of wagering involves uncertainty, and treating it as entertainment rather than income is one of the most important perspectives to have. Problems often arise when people treat betting as a financial solution rather than a recreational activity. That shift in mindset can lead to unrealistic expectations and unnecessary risk. Another interesting aspect of modern sportsbooks like PointsBet is how data-driven everything has become. Real-time statistics, predictive models, and historical performance data are all integrated into the user experience. This creates the impression that outcomes can be forecasted with precision, but in reality, even the best models only estimate probability. A 70% chance still means a 30% chance of the opposite outcome happening, which is significant in any competitive sport. As sports betting continues to evolve, platforms are becoming more interactive and more integrated with live sports broadcasts. This has changed how fans experience games, turning them into multi-layered events where statistics, commentary, and betting markets all move together. While this adds excitement for some users, it also makes it even more important to stay aware of boundaries and maintain a healthy distance between entertainment and decision-making. In summary, understanding how PointsBet Sportsbook works is less about learning how to win and more about understanding how probability, markets, and human psychology interact in real time. Sports betting is built on structured uncertainty, and no system removes that uncertainty completely. The more informed you are about how these systems operate, the more clearly you can see the difference between entertainment and expectation. And at the end of the day, that distinction is what matters most. Sports are unpredictable by nature, and sportsbooks exist to reflect that unpredictability in a structured way. Whether someone watches a game for enjoyment, analysis, or participation through betting markets, the outcome always remains uncertain. That's the reality behind the excitement, and it's what makes the entire system both fascinating and risky at the same time.